Hey guys, welcome back to the Reynolds girls, and today we're going to be doing the Christmas candy haul challenge. And before we get on to today's video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on that bell so you'll be notified every time we post a new video for you guys. So the candy that we have for today is some strawberry slime lickers, triple power push pops, some Christmas bottle pops. I was thinking about babies because like bottles. So and some Sour Punch Merry Mix, and we have a 6-pack of cotton candy, and we also have some cotton candy flavored Pop Rocks. And for my box, I have Troll Sour Bright Reindeer Poop. Sounds really nasty. And we also have some Santa straws. And her box is, what's your box?
Frosty Nerds.
Yep. And we also have this big lollipop with 15 mini lollipops in it. So let's get on to today's video. I'm excited. Okay. So first we're going to start off with the slime liquor. And I was thinking about our challenge is to see how many times we could lick it. Like, and who wins it all.
Why is yours blue and mine is yellow?
I don't know.
3, 2, 1.
It's dry.
I don't see some.
Oh,
Don't you just do that?
you like, it's not really
You
sour.
twist it?
Yeah, just like.
Oh. Okay, 3, 2, 1. You got stuck in there. No, it didn't.
These are really good.
You just stopped.
Oh,
me.
because it was like dripping. I was like,
I couldn't, and my spit was gonna come out. You know when you have to swallow? I couldn't swallow. You know when you
it tastes like those like popsicles. Where like, yeah, it tastes like those like long popsicles where you like cut the tip off.
And you can also change the flavor in here. Like the drink in here.
Oh
And
yeah,
it's
you
empty.
can. But I'm gonna move on to the triple power push pop. Oh, you open it from the bottom. This actually looks good because like
There's
like
different flavors.
yeah, there's like different flavors. Like there's like colors on the side for like each flavor. Like there's watermelon, blue raspberry, and strawberry.
Those sounds are good.
Definitely the blue.
I just opened it.
Wait, I opened it. Oh wait, no, I got it.
There's a lot of flavors. How do you just take a little?
No, you twist the Oh wait, you do take it off. Oh, I hate these wrapper things because it always breaks my candy. And I hate like some. And like you like put
I
them
got
up.
it off without breaking it.
Yeah, I did too. Like you like pull them up.
I remember
Like
never had these before yet.
I need to pull these wrappers off. I got the blue one off.
How did you just I got everything off without even pushing it up. Like that's
What?
Like without pushing it up so you can get the wrapper.
These smell good too.
Oh, by the way, we never had slime lickers.
Yeah, I got really excited when I seen the slime lickers. And I was like, OMG, I never tried these.
I never tried this in a while before.
These are good. You like push them
And you
up.
know in our first video, Pink and Blue, we tried these, but they just had one stick.
Yeah, just like one. I'm gonna go into the next candy.
Which is the
Bottle pops. Alright, put the wrappers in the
okay, put them on the floor.
I kind of just opened it wrong, but awesome.
Oops.
Okay. Oh, this kind of looks like, it kind of looks sparkly.
I'm like struggling. It looks like a binky, and then you pour the binky inside of the sugar.
It looks like a bottle cap. Looks like a baby bottle. So now we're both gonna try the Merry Mix.
Wait, I had this before,
Yes.
but in just a different kind.
Are they like? Oh, the Christmas colors. They smell good. I'm gonna try both of them.
Same. First one.
The green one is good.
Sour.
The green one tastes like, yeah, green apple. And the red one might be either cherry, strawberry, or Arizona. Or watermelon.
The watermelon's the best.
It's cherry. I think. Yeah, cherry. Cherry berry. Oh, wait, there's like different shades.
Those things sour. I don't know how you just don't make an face.
That was watermelon. That's good. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to the cotton candy. You good?
No.
Alright. That's all I need to know. Oh. I think, yeah.
Should I just like?
Yeah, just like.
I see the blue one.
The blue.
Blue one that you said you were gonna try, probably.
Yeah, we're gonna try all of them.
Oh, we are. Okay. Yeah, that's how you know we're strong.
Or we're just.
Oh.
Oh. Alright.
I don't know what flavors this is.
Oh, this is hot cocoa, and that's polar punch.
I don't like hot cocoa, but I'll try it.
I'll try to open them all.
Vanilla snow. This is vanilla snow. That's all I can read.
Let me get it. Alright. Okay, so I think I'm gonna try hot cocoa first because it sounds like way more interesting.
I'm gonna try this.
Because like I never tasted a hot cocoa. Cotton candy.
Oh, it's pink. I got the pink.
Hold on, wait. Yeah, it's cherry berry. It's gonna be pink.
She needed scissors, obviously.
Okay, that helps.
I want to try that. So
Yeah, I really do. Sounds interesting.
sounds nasty.
It might be. It might be not. You'll never know.
I kind of try it. But I have to. I have
It
to
might
try all
smell
the
good
flavors.
because. Ooh. This smells okay. Okay, I'm gonna try this first, and then I'm gonna try that one.
Yeah. Digging in the whole face. It's a right time to talk away.
That's pretty good. You want to try it first or me?
You can, because I don't.
Okay. Oh, there's more.
Ooh, that
Oh
tastes like
no. No. That's disgusting.
It.
Oh wait. The aftertaste is good. Hold on. Oh no. I don't need aftertaste.
Yep.
That's what I was trying it again.
Nasty.
The before taste is like really bad, but like the aftertaste, I know the before taste is like no, but the aftertaste is like, yeah, it's really good.
This one is better.
Okay, so now we're gonna try sugar cookie.
Should I just open all of them? Like, just like take the wrapper off. Yeah, we're gonna try that. I think that one is gonna be good.
Yeah.
Sugar cookie, I don't really know. Like, I don't really like sugar cookie.
It says, yeah. It says
I
sugar. I
really
thought it said vanilla sugar cookie. It smells like the last one, but it might not taste like the last one.
Funny. Okay, open. No, I didn't. Wait, you like it?
It's better than the last one, though.
Uh-uh.
You can't lie. It's actually better than the last one.
Mm-mm.
I think it's better than the last one. And have any of y'all tried any of these flavors? Because if y'all have,
You want to try
tell
this
us
one?
which one that you liked. Yeah, cotton candy,
And then we try both of these.
Polar Punch. Okay.
I bet that already did.
No, it didn't. But
Is you good?
yeah, I'm trying to look. It smells good. It smells like slushy.
It smells like victory.
Okay. Yeah, we both
Tastes
like
like the
this.
slushy.
It tastes like a blue slushy.
Okay, next.
Now we're
Do you
gonna-
try this.
Yeah, we're gonna save cotton candy for last because cotton candy might be good. Now we're gonna open vanilla snow. It smells like sugar cookie.
It smells like the last one.
The last one was
No, not that one. Not that one.
Then that wasn't the last one.
The
We both look like
They're actually good.
yeah, it's actually good. Or wait.
What?
Yeah, I think it's really good.
Cotton candy. I like cotton candy.
Yeah, I think cotton candy is
you
one of
go
the best desserts.
When I went to the fair, I got cotton candy. I think but
Tell us your favorite season in the comments. Cause I think or holiday. Yeah, I meant holiday, not season. I get them mixed up sometimes. But yeah, actually no. Tell us your favorite holiday and your favorite season.
my favorite holiday is Christmas.
My favorite holiday is Christmas, and my favorite season is summer.
My favorite is summer too.
Yeah. It all kind of smells
Smells like
the
cotton
same.
candy. I mean.
It smells like cotton.
Wait, you know those?
No.
Oh, candy canes. Yeah.
How do you smell that?
It smells like.
It's what it tastes like candy canes. It's good.
Tastes like candy canes.
I for sure want to do the sour
I
cream.
want to see her face. She makes funny.
I want to see her face.
Why is there a Oh, I get it now.
Yeah.
Alright, everything to the
Alright,
side. Everything to the side. Oh
No, before that meme ever went like viral, I already seen the meme before it even came on TikTok because I used to always watch Try Not to Laugh
no. Pinch
with my siblings, and we used to always get like, oh, okay, so it's like,
I'm struggling.
so the spray is green apple,
We both got the same, and I totally knew how to open it.
and we got just regular warheads in it, and we got cubes to spray it on.
I'm definitely keeping in this bowl and putting candy in it.
There's blue.
I'm gonna put my spray on it. Because that's gonna make it more sour. Oh, and do you want to have a challenge where we spray?
Try not to
much?
make a face.
Yeah.
Okay.
If I can open it.
Right.
Thank you.
Okay. So now we're gonna spray. I'm just gonna wait for Brian. Just twist it like he did to the sound like her.
I totally knew.
Um.
I'm gonna do the green one because it kind of goes with it.
Yeah, you got it.
Squeeze. Okay.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Me personally, I don't like orange or yellow flavored candy. She lost. Okay, so now we're gonna see how many sprays we can spray in our mouth without making a face. Okay?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Hold on, pause. My cheeks, like, have you ever ate something sour and your like cheeks just like cleanse? Like it. I don't know the feeling to it, but it just kind of hurts. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh, I sprayed way more than her.
I know.
So technically, we both won because I sprayed the most sprays and wait, I made the face first and I sprayed the most.
my
I don't
heart.
know. So yeah,
try
she
this.
won and I won, so we both won. Oh yeah, that could be another challenge. So we're gonna do the little hard candies. I don't really like the hard candies. Okay, I'm gonna do blue because blue is always the best flavor candy.
I want blue.
Blue raspberry, yep.
Pink. Is there even blue in here? I don't got blue.
She doesn't even have a blue. You want a blue?
No.
Um,
I'm gonna make it more
It's
sour,
kinda-
so this is gonna be a challenge.
it looks green.
It's gonna be another challenge for me, and it's gonna be way sour.
Oh wait, what? We're spraying? Use that.
And it's just gonna like have more in here. That's like I put way more than you.
Oh.
Because I'm not doing this challenge alone.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
It's not even sour.
She lost. No, I didn't.
I saw you.
Mm-mm.
I don't like this.
Mm-mm.
Don't like it. Okay,
Okay, now we're gonna move on to Pop Rocks.
Oh, the flavor too.
Oh, we're gonna show them the flavors. But if I'm gonna hear again, it's cotton candy.
You know what? Never mind. There's not a cut in here. Thanks.
Okay. There's a package for them. Oh, they're different.
There's
Oh.
packs in here. I'm gonna
Yeah,
try the first
packs.
one.
They're all the same flavors, just for more.
I'm gonna pour some in my hand so I don't make it.
So we just could have got like one pack and we just both could have like,
Oh,
but we didn't really know.
oh.
We thought it was just gonna be one.
I'm gonna put it in my hand.
I haven't tried Pop Rocks in a while, but I just remembered. Yes, we have.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When?
When mom bought us like different flavors Pop Rocks.
Ooh.
It's like popping my tongue and it hurt. So now we're gonna move on to our candy. Oh wait, why is mine looking like that? That's weird.
They're like still in my mouth. I feel it. I know.
It was like popping my tongue and it kind of hurt.
It kind of hurted, yeah.
But overall, yeah, they were good.
I'm gonna hit your.
They look okay. And you already know I'm gonna head for the big. And like, obviously by the name.
Those look good. Mine's are like candy cane colors. If I even said that. I knew he was gonna do that.
It is like the regular gummy worms, but this one.
I didn't get the green one.
I think it's green. Oh, yeah, there. So actually, I kind of liked it. It was like an 8 out of 10. It was okay. So now we're gonna move on to like salmon straws. And okay, so I'm gonna try this one.
They're like long straws.
Berry was good. And now I'm gonna go into the green apple.
I'm still trying to get the sour mix out.
Yep, green apple's good. So I give these a 10 out of 10 because I like both of the flavors, and they're not really that sour to me. We're gonna do the giant lollipop.
The last
and final candy. I think you just like tear it off. Oh, look at it!
That's so cute.
Just look at it.
I'm trying the red one.
I'm gonna try the green apple.
And they're like,
oh, these are like the hard lollipops to open. We got them open, and now we're gonna try them. It's pretty good. It tastes like green apple. And
these
I like it.
good, kind of.
What does yours taste like?
Like candy cane.
Mine tastes like green apple. So I rate this a 7 out of 10. And what do you rate it?
I rate that a 1 out of 10.
Okay, so my favorite thing that we tried today was the slime lickers. And I guess hers was too. And I liked it because like the flavor was like really good. And like it was like just satisfying to just roll on your tongue.
I like it because I never tried it and it's my first time and I like it.
So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like, subscribe button, and turn on that notification bells, so you'll be notified every time we post a new video. See you soon, guys. Bye.